Hey up, I'm Johnny Vegas. If you can believe it or not, Bonings are going to convert this into a camper van. They're going to raffle it up. Here's James with the details.
Yes, from just $6.99, this beautiful van could be yours on 15th of March. Let's take a look inside. The two front heated seats swivel round for use when camping. And then this table in the middle is removable so that the seat behind can be folded down with a simple action to form a single bed. There's loads of great storage in overhead lockers at the front and at the back, and all of the lockers have touch LEDs underneath. An electric fan removes moist air from the van, and the kitchen unit has a sink with a pumped tap and an induction hob with a useful control panel on the front of the unit. There's more storage in these large drawers with soft close function, and the battery control panel allows you to select 12 volt or 240 volt to feed the power through to the standard plug sockets or to the USB sockets with USB-C and standard USBs. The 90 litre fridge is generous enough to store lots of food and drink for your trip, and there's also a heater to keep you comfy, and this is controllable from an app when you're out and about. There's a useful door through to the rear storage area, which again is lit with LEDs and has some amazing storage of its own. A large rear bed at the back for sleeping, of course, and this prize comes with an awning of your choice, which will also have a wood-burning stove. So what are you waiting for? Enter now for your chance to win on 15th of March, and all of this could be yours.
Save me 10.